President Obama is live in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, talking to employees at Master Lock.
All right, you're looking at a live picture. President Obama's in Milwaukee this hour speaking about jobs and the economy. He's at a Master Lock plant. It's a padlock manufacturing company that he praised during his State of the Union address last month.
Story at 5, President Obama visits Master Lock, a company that brought jobs back to Milwaukee from China.
Hello, Milwaukee!
And at Master Lock, where he said manufacturing and the economy are making a comeback.
We're going to create more success stories like Master Lock.
From NBC News, this is Today.
So we're going to talk about this lock. If you want the kids to have the coolest locker in the hallway, you're going to get them this Master Lock combination lock.
Some of the coolest technology and products for your family and your home, starting with safety. Master Lock is the way to go because they're a leader in padlocks and security products, and they've got some great products to help your family stay safe.
What we brought is a bunch of dorm-friendly products for kids going back to school. This is a Master Lock safe space. It's from Master Lock. It's safe. You can wrap this little bike lock like around your steering column or around something fixed, and you can keep valuables in there and keep them safe.
This is Good Morning San Diego.
You got to be cool when you go back to school. This is the high-tech digital one. It's called the dial speed. But the beauty of this is that it works every time. You know, sometimes you have to go back and forth, back and forth. This works every time, and you could also upload it to the cloud.
Hi, I'm Denise Albert, and I'm teamed up with some fabulous brands this summer to help keep the kids busy and you sane. I won't leave my home without the Master Lock safe space to keep my wallet, cell phone, car keys, and whatever else I need safe.